On this video, I'm gonna do the Dawn dish soap painting technique, absolutely uncut. The only edits you'll see is maybe some zoom ins and zoom outs.
Hey, excuse me, you're gonna need this, okay?
Oh, keep going. You're doing great. That too, but I'm not cutting the footage at all. So what I have here is an opal base that I glittered literally about a year ago, and I hadn't done anything with it. So I thought, hey, this will be awesome. And it doesn't look very impressive because, what is that noise? Oh, hey. Yeah, again. I need that, thank you. Okay, keep going, you're doing great. Can you quit interrupting me? I'm trying not to cut the footage at all. I'm trying to get done, okay? Thanks. But I sanded it as always. I always sand prep. So this glitter base was opal and I epoxied it and now I've sanded it. And now, since all this stuff is here and it's shaking, not stirred, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start right now. And what I have here is Dawn dish soap. Wow, that's not very, well, you couldn't give me some full paint? Jeez. And these two are about empty, and then we have a dark blue. Now I like to use, whoa, where'd that go? I like to use matte paints because matte, I don't know if you know, dries faster than not matte, which is called satin or gloss. All dry. I'm gonna need you to stay on the sprayer, bro. All right, that works good. I should have my mask. Okay, that works. Hey, they all work. Good job, at least they work. All right, first, Dawn Drizzle Dizzle. This is all you gotta do. I get a big gulp because it has a back pressure and you just really do whatever pattern you want. And I picked the colors, or my other self did, that I thought would complement what is already on the opal colors. You might need to squeeze, you might let it breathe. Oh my gosh, that was a glob. I don't like globs, but whatever. So the technique here, and I'm pretty sure I'm zoomed in, get your bottom, don't forget. Oh, that's a glob there. The technique is, I always keep it moving and I always keep it spinning, which is literally the same thing as moving, but what you cover up with the dish soap is what's going to be left opal. I'm going to do like a light color to the top. This is literally real time. I'm not cutting here. Layer it, and when you spray it, you want to get it as covered as you want on the first spray, because if you do it and you go over it a couple times, it's going to move on you. And your spray pattern, wow, what is this thing doing? It's not going to be as, this guy is struggling. All right, we're going back to this one. Your spray pattern is not going to be as nice and crisp as you probably want to. Like this on the bottom is probably not going to be. All right, there. That's matte clear. It's real time. I'm not cutting. Wow, let go. I have a bucket right here. I have my hose sticking out from under my garage so I can grab it. I'm just going to keep on gently turning it until I'm ready to rinse it off, which is going to be about 60 to 90 seconds. Is one of you keeping time out there? Hey, has it been 60 to 90 seconds?
I don't know, what, look like a clock?
You didn't set the timer? Oh, I don't have a timer. I just go by, hey, let's go, let's do it now. I'm just going over to get the hose. I'm not cutting anything. I'm gonna try to stay in the frame so that you don't think I'm cheating. Give me the hose. You see me? Oh my gosh, I'm stretching. Give me the, there we go. I knew I left just enough room for it to, here's my bucket. Spray. I wish you could find a cameraman. Why are you not filming holding the camera, cameraman? Get this hose. All right, and then we're just rinsing it off. I literally have water in my garage. Oh wow, turn it down a little bit. Oh, this is awesome. Oh wow, this is a nice choice of colors. I could have put a little bit more dish soap, but I think it's gonna be a nice compliment. Don't forget to rinse off your bottom. What you're wanting to do is, I got my water on like this. Oh gosh. Is it's not on ridiculously strong, and you want to get all the soap. Wow, this is splashing me like crazy. Stop it. Woo, woo, woo. We're going to need a mop. Hey, where's that janitor guy from the other video? From my short. If you want to see that video, click right there. I'll put the short, if they let you put shorts on cards. All right, get out of the garage. There we go. Hey, I'm bringing it around. I hadn't cut anything. I'm stepping in water, and I'm doing this just for you guys.